Welcome back to the car collection where speed speaks louder than words. Today, we're talking about the return of a monster, the 2026 Corvette ZR1. Chevrolet has taken the already wild C8 platform and turned the volume all the way up. The ZR1 isn't just a faster Stingray, it's a track weapon, a hypercar hunter, and the most extreme ICE-powered Corvette we've ever seen. Let's get right to it. Under the rear hatch sits a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, borrowed from the Z06, but now with twin turbos strapped on. The result? A jaw-dropping 850-plus horsepower and over 800 lb-ft of torque, sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60? 2.5 seconds, maybe less. And a top speed well over 215 miles per hour. The sound? Less roar, more shriek. It revs to 8,500 RPM, and with those turbos, it doesn't just scream, it wails. This is American power with European precision, and it's absolutely ferocious. Visually, the ZR1 takes the C8 design and turns it into a road-going race car. Wider fenders, huge intakes, an aggressive aero package, and an active rear wing that adjusts based on speed and cornering forces. Optional carbon fiber wheels, center-lock hubs, and track-ready Michelin Cup 2 tires complete the look and the performance. Inside, it's all function meets luxury. Alcantara, carbon trim, contrast stitching, and deeply bolstered seats remind you this is serious business. You still get the 12-inch digital cluster, head-up display, and performance data recorder, but now, there's a new track telemetry suite with G-force analysis, lap timer overlays, and adaptive suspension presets. Handling? Laser precise. Magnetic ride control, active aero, rear-wheel steering, and a lightweight chassis all combine to make the ZR1 one of the sharpest cars Chevy has ever built. It's not just powerful, it's composed, balanced, and brutally fast through corners. And yet, it's still a Corvette. It still has a frunk, still feels livable on the highway, and still undercuts European exotics by tens, if not hundreds, of thousands. Pricing starts around $150,000, but spec it right, and you're creeping into $180,000 territory. Still, for a car that can outrun Lamborghinis and Ferraris, it's hard to call that anything but a bargain. So, does the 2026 ZR1 take the crown for America's greatest performance car? Or are you still holding out for the rumored hybrid Zora? Drop your take in the comments. And if you're here for flat cranks, forced induction, and full throttle glory, go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This is the car collection where legends are born on pavement. See you in the next one.